welcome to my channel. By request, everybody requested that I videotape myself with hiccups. I'm sorry, it's pretty late at night here, and I just happened to get the hiccups. I was hanging out with a friend and enjoying myself, and on the way I got these horrible hiccups, my chronic hiccups. Voila! You can hear that I have hiccups, and they're very, very annoying. And they won't go away. They're going to continue to annoy me, so I'm going to show you that apple cider vinegar does work with getting rid of hiccups. It's very annoying, sorry. Okay, they make it like, I don't know, but the hiccups make me want to cough. Yeah, they're real, you can tell. Okay, so I'm going to put 2 tablespoons in the water here. That's what I did to get rid of them the last time. Oh gosh, they're annoying, aren't they? Okay, so I have the apple cider vinegar and the water. Okay, ready? Here it goes. Look, can you believe it? I couldn't believe it. The first time I did apple cider vinegar and I had hiccups and they went away. I couldn't believe it. You heard me hiccupping up before. And not at all now. I'm staying on just to make sure that I don't hiccup. So far, so good. Give you a few minutes. I was hiccupping up pretty bad before. So basically, I took 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in an 8-ounce glass of water. Here you can see the 2 tablespoons that I used. And I drank it really quick. I had really bad hiccups. I get chronic hiccups, which come very often, and they seem to come worse when I have a cough. Or I did notice that they seem linked to acid reflux too, but it's not always. It really depends, but look at me. No hiccups. Hi! It works. It works like a charm. Took a few seconds to work, but it did. And as you can see, I was hiccuping before, very bad, and I couldn't stop. And now you can see that I'm not. And it's kind of late at night, so bear with me. I'm not all like dead at fall pretty, and my cat's enjoying my camera right now. Stop that, Zelda! Okay, well, anyway, see you. Bye.